Good evening, I'm Tyler Sieber here with your weather update for this Tuesday evening, and man, was it a sticky afternoon, a sticky evening we got going on right now. Currently, we are sitting at 89 degrees in downtown. South-southwesterly winds around 9 are ushering in that warm and humid air. We have a dew point of 66, which is again why it feels so humid to you this evening, and I don't think that humidity is going anywhere in the extended forecast. I'll have more on that in a few. So again, that leads our headline for tonight. Very sticky. Storm door will be opening beginning tonight, possibly more so tomorrow, with a severe potential as well tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, namely for those severe thunderstorms. So keep an eye to the sky tomorrow. Temperatures around central Ohio, around the metro, 89 in Columbus, 82 in Delaware, 83 in Marysville. So most of us are in the low to mid 80s, other than downtown, which is in the upper 80s due to that heat island effect you get in the larger cities. South-southwest winds, again, is the reasoning why we have that warm air, and those winds are going to be out of that direction for the extended period. So I don't see any high temperatures below 85 in the 7-day, but we'll get to that in a little bit. A radar is showing we have clear skies across central Ohio, but if you look off up to the north, up here in northern Indiana, you see some storms popping up. That's going to tail end of that storm system that's moving through Pennsylvania and New York. And those storms may slide down towards the Columbus area tonight, giving us an isolated chance of a shower or storm. Futurecast paints that pretty well. Currently, you can see we've got a few, or around 11 o'clock tonight is where I'm going to start this. You have a few showers and storms possible south and southeast of downtown Columbus. As we progress to about 7 in the morning, you can see throughout the night a few pop-up showers or a few isolated showers possible, but then we clear out. Sunrise tomorrow looks to be mainly clear across most of the region, except well off to the north up here around Marion County and to the north of that. And then throughout the morning, a tail end of another line of showers possibly could affect our northern counties, but I think Columbus remains dry until later in the afternoon when we get the heating of the day, the sunshine, the humidity popping back up, the dew points in the mid and upper 60s. We see a few showers and storms in Newark, Zanesville, that area, and as we progress later into the afternoon, you can see a lot of pop-up showers and storms in the forecast. I think almost everybody gets in on the rain. Again, some backyards may see it, some might not, but I'd keep that umbrella handy tomorrow afternoon. After the morning, when you might be fooled, you need those sunglasses. And then again, 6 o'clock tonight, 6 o'clock in the evening, a few showers and storms still possible. So for tonight overall, what I'm going with 73 degrees, scattered storms possible, very warm and muggy. Those south-southwest winds 5 to 15, keeping that humidity pumping into the region. Tomorrow it's going to be another warm day, 92. That'll be the third 90-degree day of the year. Scattered storms possible. Again, some of those could be strong. South-southwest winds around 10. And as we take a look at that extended forecast, 92 tomorrow with a 40% chance of storms. Thursday and Friday seem to be the days to target for storms around here. 60% chance both days, around 88. 87 Saturday, 86 Sunday, continued chance of showers and storms. And the same old song and dance into early next week. Monday and Tuesday, highs in the mid-80s, another chance of showers and storms. Well, that's your weather update. Make it a great night. Good evening, I'm Tyler Seabury with your weather update this Tuesday evening, and man, was it a hot and humid day today. We had temperatures reach the low 90s, 93 actually. We're looking at 89 still at this 9 o'clock hour, a quarter after 9 roughly. We have those south-southwest winds around 9, which is the reasoning behind all that heat and humidity, ushering in that warmer air from the southwest. Dew points in the mid and upper 60s this afternoon and this evening are making it feel very sticky out there. So make sure you're staying hydrated. That's going to be the name of the game for the next 7 days, though, because we're going to have humidity carry through the extended forecast. And that's the leading headline. Very sticky tonight. Very sticky for the next week, in fact. Storm door will be opening beginning tonight. Isolated chances, but more so tomorrow and beyond with storm chances for the entire extended period. And tomorrow we even have that severe potential. I'll have more on that on the Futurecast. Temperatures around Metro Columbus this evening. We have 89 in downtown, 86 in Dublin, 83 over here in Marysville, and 86 down in Groveport. So we're all in the 80s across the metro region tonight. So it is warm, it is muggy. So make sure if you're out and about, make sure if you're going to start sweating, stay hydrated because it is very, very, very humid this evening. And winds out of the south-southwest between about roughly 5 and 15 miles per hour. Again, that is the reason behind all that heat and humidity ushering into central Ohio, around 9 in downtown, 7 in Mount Vernon. The radar is quiet in central Ohio, but if you look up here in northern Indiana, we got a few storms, scattered showers and storms popping up. Some of them have gone severe. Those could slide into central Ohio tonight, and Futurecast does a good job of painting that. But for the most part, I expect us to remain dry tonight outside of a few renegade showers and storms that do push through. Around 11 is where we're going to start Futurecast. You can see a few showers and storms possible southeast of downtown. Again, I don't think most of us see that. I think many of us stay dry tonight. As we progress through the night, you can see we got mainly clear skies, a few clouds here and there. As you're waking up tomorrow morning, I expect a nice sunrise across most of the region, except if you're off to the north around Marion, Bucyrus, outside of our viewing area, we could see a few showers up to the north. And then a tail end of another storm system, or another system, another wave of rain pushes through tomorrow mid-morning. That's going to slide off to the east of downtown. I don't expect us to get in on that. If you're going to go out to the pool tomorrow morning, that'd be a good idea. Don't forget the sunscreen, the water, stay hydrated. Go out and enjoy it. Before the afternoon when those storms roll in, you don't want to be swimming if there's thunder and lightning around. And then noontime, still looking pretty good for most of us. But then later in the afternoon when the heat and humidity really kick in, you're going to see those storms and showers and storms bubble up all over central Ohio. And again, some of those could be strong to severe with damaging winds and hail possible. As we progress throughout the rest of the day, again, I'm not going to rule out a shower or storm through the remainder of your Wednesday due to the increased humidity and increased temperatures. So for tomorrow night, or for tonight overall rather, I'm 73, scattered storms possible, very warm and muggy, winds out of the west-southwest 5 to 15. Tomorrow, another hot day, our third 90-degree day of the year is what's in store. 92, scattered storms, again, some of those could be strong to severe. As we take a look at your extended forecast, there's the 90s tomorrow, but say goodbye to those after that. We'll be in the 80s, but it will still be humid. So don't be fooled by the lack of 90s in the 7-day. It will still be very warm and humid, and scattered showers and storms are in the forecast. Thursday and Friday look to be the main days for those, but Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, those are all days where we could see showers and storms due to humidity and warm temperatures. Well, that's your evening weather update. Make it a great night. Good evening, I'm Tyler Seabree with your weather update for this Tuesday evening across central Ohio. And man, was it a warm and muggy day out there. We topped out in the low 90s, 93 exactly, and we are still at 89s. We've only dropped 4 degrees. It is 9:15, keep in mind. We've only dropped 4 degrees from our high temperature for the day. Dew points in the mid and upper 60s are making it feel very warm and humid out there this evening. So if you're going out, if you're taking the dog for a walk, make sure you stay hydrated. Make sure you keep your dogs hydrated out there as well, as they have fur to deal with. So it's going to feel even hotter to them. So very sticky tonight. That's the name of the game. That's the main weather headline. It's going to be sticky for the next week. Storm door will be opening beginning tonight. Isolated chances, more so tomorrow with those storms and showers and storms. And tomorrow we do have a severe potential with the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma, putting us in the slight risk category for a few of those storms to become strong to severe tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures around the region. Downtown is not the only warm and muggy spot. 89, however, 86 in Dublin, 82 in Marysville, 86 down in Groveport. So you can see we're all in the Metro Columbus region in the low to mid 80s, even some upper 80s, and the humidity values are all way up there. So it is definitely a muggy night. Not one of those nights you want to keep the windows open. Shut those windows, crank the AC. I know that's not what you want to hear, but you're going to need that AC cranking tonight if you plan on getting a good night's sleep. Winds out of the south-southwest, around 12 in Dublin, 9 in Delaware, 7 in Mount Vernon. That's the reason why we've got the warm, muggy conditions. You got that southwesterly air pumping in that Gulf of Mexico moisture, which is the reasoning behind our 90s and very high dew points. And then a radar across northern Indiana is what I want to point your attention to. There are some showers and storms developing to the northwest of Fort Wayne. Those have the potential to slide down into central Ohio tonight. That's why I think we could see a shower or storm tonight, but I think most of us will remain dry like we've seen throughout the day. They haven't been as lucky up here in northeast Ohio and northern Pennsylvania, where actually Ashtabula County went under a tornado warning not too long ago. We haven't had any of that. I don't expect any severe weather tonight. But again, a few showers and storms are possible, as Futurecast is showing around 11 o'clock. A few areas could be getting in on some of those northern Indiana showers and storms. But again, I don't expect severe weather tonight. Tomorrow is when I expect our main chance of severe weather for the next 7 days. 7 a.m. tomorrow, sunrise. I expect central Ohio to have a beautiful sunrise out there. If you're going to go out for a run, I'd do it in the morning. If you're going to go to the pool, I would also do that in the morning to early afternoon before those showers and storms fire. As you can see, progressing through the morning, a few showers up to the northeast of downtown, but as we progress to noon, a few more bubbling up well to the east of Columbus. But then later in the afternoon, when the heat and humidity really kick in, you can see we've got showers and storms Newark, Zanesville, New Lexington, Logan. Everybody gets in on the showers and storms tomorrow. I think most of us do end up seeing a shower or storm. If you don't, expect it on Thursday when we have even a better chance of showers and storms. Progress the Futurecast even farther. 6 o'clock, dinner time tomorrow, driving home. You may run into a stray shower or storm, but by that time, storm should be winding down with the sun beginning to go down in the sky. So that's solar heating will start going down. So if you don't see showers and storms by about 6 o'clock tomorrow, I think most of those should be winding down by that time. So for tonight, 73 degrees, scattered showers and storms possible. Most of us stay dry, warm and muggy, south-southwest winds 5 to 15. Tomorrow, our third 90-degree day of the year in store. It's 92 degrees, some scattered storms, some may be strong. We're continuing with the south-southwest winds. And as we take a look at your extended forecast, 90s tomorrow, say goodbye to those after that, but don't let that get your hopes up. We're still going to be very warm and humid for the remainder of the forecast. And I expect Thursday and Friday to be our best chances of rain and highs around 88. But Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, all those days we could see showers and storms with 80s or mid to upper 80s and very high humidity values. Well, that's your evening weather update. Make it a great night.